friends, in today's video I'm going to demonstrate a fun card using our rectangle stitched dies as well as some designer series paper. Now these sheets of designer series paper are from our Come Sail Away collection. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's double-sided so you can see all the different patterns. This one's actually the same one here. So for this card design I'm going to trim my designer series paper. So I'm just going to cut every piece to measure 5.5 by 4 1/4. Okay, I am stacking 2 pieces of designer series paper together, putting them on my magnetic platform, and then I have my stitched rectangle framelit dies. So I've grabbed every second size so that there's a bit of a gap in between each layer. So this is the largest one, so I'm just centering it on my designer series paper so that it's equal amounts all the way around, and then I'm just going to stack them on the inside. I'm going to put my plate on and run it through. Because there were 2 pieces, I went back and forth a couple of times, and I'm just going to flip it over and make sure it's gone through. And if you're ever not quite sure, run it through on the back side. You can do that as well. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, this outside edge we're not going to need. Okay, so I'm going to put all those frames aside and coming in with the next 2 pieces. So any designer series paper, any color scheme, anything will work for this. Okay, so I'm going to start stacking from large to small, alternating the different colors and patterns. Okay, so everyone has a different pattern. I'm going to slide those aside. I've got my card base. These are just Whisper White. I'm just going to simply start gluing these down, starting from the largest die cut and working my way in. So there's my first background piece, and I'm going to go ahead and do this to every set of die cuts. Okay, so I have all my card bases completed, and that's a really fun way to get a lot of mileage out of your designer series paper. And now it's time just to finish them off and put on some sentiments. The stamps that I want to use to add sentiments to these cards are from our July 2019 Paper Pumpkin kit, which is called On My Mind, and I absolutely love the fonts and the sentiments in this kit. So we've got a happy birthday, hello friend, you've been on my mind, and you're the best. We have a seashell and a pretty little design here, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and use. This is a die cut from the same kit, and I'm going to use that as well. Figure out which one I want to put this on. I think I'm going to go with that one. These little tags are also from the Paper Pumpkin kit this month, so I'm just going to use them, and then I'll save the card bases that came in the kit for different cards. So there's one card completed. These awesome dimensionals also come in the Paper Pumpkin kit, and they fit right around just like that. And once I'm done putting all these sentiments on, then I will finish putting on a few more embellishments such as some twine. These cards were so easy and fun to put together, and using the beautiful coordinating designer series paper with those rectangle stitch dies, as well as the On My Mind paper pumpkin kit, it looks like everything was made to go together, and it's just simply the incredible coordination that Stampin' Up! Products provide. So I really enjoyed putting these cards together. I've got a great variety of occasions, so I've got cards ready to pass out when I need them or pop in the mail for someone special. So thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the little notification bell so you will know when I upload a new video. Have a great day and happy stamping!